Alright y'all, bear with me. This video may come in segments because my computer doesn't have that much memory, and I don't know how long this video will be. So let's go ahead and get started. If you haven't already, go ahead and try to complete this on your own. This is a lot like the homework that you did, and I think this will be a good prep for your test or your quiz tomorrow. Number one, tell whether the given value of the variable is a solution. So all you have to do is plug in the number they give you. So 5 times 3 minus 2 equals 13. That's 15 minus 2 equals 13. 13 equals 13. So yes, would be your answer. Okay. For number 2, it's a little bit harder. This time you've got 2 variables. So you plug in 2 for both of those. So 4 times 2 plus 22 equals negative 11 minus 3 times 2 minus 2. So then I have 8 plus 22 over here equals negative 11 minus 3 times 0. Follow order of operations. 30 equals negative 11 minus 0. Multiply those first. 30 equals negative 11. So no, that is not a solution. For number 3, this time you've also got 2 x's, so you plug both of those in. So we have negative 6 times 3 plus 7 equals 24 plus 3 times 4 minus 3. So I have negative 18 plus 7 equals 24 plus 3 times 1. So if we add those, that's negative 11 equals 24 plus 3, that will give you 27. So that's also no. Again, you can back up, restart, go slow through this video. And if you see you can, after one you see you can do it, then try the next one on your own before you watch the video. Okay, number 4. So solve the equation, check your solution. I want to check one on here, and then I'm going to let you check the rest, okay? But on your test, you should, if it says check, make sure you check, okay? So number 4, we are looking to get the x by itself. So first we need to subtract this 13. And 31 minus 13 is going to be 18. Equals, those cancel out, 9x. 9 and x are multiplying, so to get rid of that, I'll divide. X equals 2. Okay. I'll check this one. I have 9. Just plug back in your 2. 9 times 2 plus 13 equals 31. 18 plus 13 equals 31. 18 plus 13 is 31, so 31 equals 31, and it checks. Okay. So for number 5, I'm going to work on this side since the x is on this side. First, I need to add my 46. Add 46. Now, don't forget your integer rules. So negative 11 and positive 46, those have opposite signs, so you subtract. So that gives us positive 35. It's positive because the 46 is larger. We take the side of the larger one. 35 equals 7x divided by 7. So x equals 5. Okay? Again, you need to check this on your paper. 85 equals 100 minus 3x. So we'll work on this side with our x. First we need to subtract 100. 85 minus 100. This is a positive 85 and a negative 100. So what you do is you subtract. 100 minus 85 gives us 15. But remember, it's going to be a negative 15 because that 100 was greater. So negative 15 equals, make sure you bring down the sign in front of this variable. So that's negative 3x. And we're going to divide by negative 3 to get rid of it. So we just have x left. Negative 15 divided by negative 3 is a positive 5. Okay? Make sure you check it. Number 7. X divided by 15 minus 10 equals negative 7. So work on this side with a variable. First I need to add 10 to both sides. So I have these cancel out. I have x over 15 left equals negative 7 plus 10. They have opposite signs, so you subtract. 10 minus 7 is 3, and it stays positive because that 10 is positive. Now to get rid of this 15, remember, if you're dividing by 15, to get rid of it, we need to multiply. So I'm going to multiply on both sides by 15. These cancel out, and I have x equals 3 times 15 gives me 45. And I will start a new video so my computer doesn't run out of memory.